Hello everyone, welcome to Trading Tiki. Today I'm going to let you know some update about Trading Tiki considering easy communication with each others. As I got lot of requests on email, therefore I have created a group on Telegram. So let me show you all of this. This is my Facebook group and Telegram channel where I published all of the update regularly. This is my Telegram group. All of you can discuss in this group with each others. For example, you will take some trade according to your understanding and share with the group. There are a lot of professionals who can guide you if you are wrong, and I will be looking all the important message to just knowledge sharing. One thing I would like to request you to do not share unnecessary message because no one have time to listen unnecessary things. Like someone talk unnecessary, you will feel boring. So let me show you how we can continue with this group so that you and everyone will get some help and you can grow your knowledge. See, for example, this is the trade I have taken. Why? Because this is a momentum. You can see this is a momentum, but this is not a strong momentum. Everywhere you can see buyer's entry, and this is a strong buyers. There has a new high in this market, and this is a reversal sign. Okay, so new high and reversal sign, it means buyers will enter, and according to this formation, buyers enter. Okay, and finally next seller's entry level is here, and this is a engulfing candle too. So uh, after this candle we can expect a buyer's entry. That's the reason I have placed higher option. Okay, here is another example. So if you clear your thought here, everyone can understand. This is the previous level I have drawn from past market here, and this is a momentum. Okay, candle close far from the level it with the new low in this market. It means sellers are interested. It may fill this gap, though there you can see strong sellers, but it can sometimes be weak sellers too, but most of the time sellers will enter after this formation. Okay, that's the reason I have placed here lower option. So let me show you another. See, here I have placed lower option with some marginal safety because this is a continuation sign middle of this trend. After this candle, most of the time we can expect another seller's candle. But since this is a strong rejection from this level, okay, still there is some gap, but strong rejection. It means there can be bias too because of strong rejection from this strong buyer's entry level. That's the reason I have waited for some good confirmation. When I found some confirmation from sellers, then I have placed a lower option here with some marginal safety. Though this candle made a green, but still this trade I have won. So let me show you another example here. Okay, this trend was uptrend and market is moving something like this. So there there are chance to make a new high, and this is a recent trend line market was followed. This has broke by this candle. There can be a retrace candle too. That's the reason I have wait for this candle to form. So after candle form, I saw still there is some buyer's entry with rejection from lower side. It means sellers are not interested there, and next sellers level is at least here. So there is still some gap. It may fill this gap. That's the reason I have placed higher option. And here is another example. This is a strong level, you can see I have drawn, and this is a breakout candle here. So after breakout, most of the time in this situation, most of the time you can see a retrace candle like that previous slide I have showed. There's supposed to be a retrace. That's the reason I have skipped. But when I see this is a strong breakout and candle close at the rejection level, it means sellers will take advantage. That's the reason I have placed lower option. So you can share this kind of things with the group, and if you have any doubt about your trade, you can post this and ask for someone help. Everyone will help you. So by this way we can increase our knowledge. And here you can see if you want to contact me if necessary, then you can write me here. And I'm giving big thanks to all of you who inspiring me by writing comments about your thought and like the video. So I would like to show few names who are commenting regularly in my channel. You can see all of these good people inspiring me every time the new video uploaded, and it's actually helping me to make good quality of video every day. That's the reason you are getting video every day. So keep doing this and warn me by write something, and don't forget to like if you think this video is going to help you. So another update is I'm going to change way of signal provide, because in Telegram taking some times to publish and you are taking some times to decide and place trade. It means you are not able to place trade as soon as I place. Therefore I'm thinking to provide either Zoom meeting or Facebook group by calling. I think this is the best way to place trade at right time. And finally, instead of conduct online classes, I am going to make video which is called Trading Tiki Premium full course, which will be ready within this month, and I will update all of you as soon as completed. The video might be going to longer, about 7 to 10 hours, because I'm going to include all of my knowledge that I gathered past 9 years. Range of this video will be from beginner to professional trader. It will work for all of you. I have already fixed all of the topic that will include on the video, but you can write me on the comments box below if you need something special to add. I think that topic also included already, because I have included all the tiny things also that required as a trader from beginner to professional level. If still missing on my topic, I'll surely include your suggestion. So your opinion and suggestion is highly appreciated. And lastly, I'm not going to tell you about the price of full course, but I will give you 20% discount for the first 20 people. So if you think you need to become for the first 20 people, you may apply and pre-book your position, because the 25% for the first 20 people only. So sorry for wasting your valuable time, and thanks for watching me. Stay safe, stay connected. Thanks.